Hello out there everyone, this is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter, borderline amps. Today we have a Cobra 25 LTD Classic tune-up report for Little Joe from Raymondville, Texas. Waving a hand at you out there, my friend. Let's see what this radio is.
Audio, 1, 2, check. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run.
We added the 7 color change, and the echo knob was right here on top, and we installed it right here on this side. This is what the customer wanted. Okay, let's see on the amperes.
A little bit there in the 0.8. Audio about 1.9 at their amp current draw. Audio probando 1, 2. Audio.
Called it a 2 amps or 1.8, either way. 10 watt slug here. And we're going to read on the bottom where it says 20 will be the 2, the 40 will be the 4, and it's somewhere between the 4 and the 5.
About 6 watts carrier right there, watts average. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio.
Okay, thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.